This is what I currently use for clamping my mobile phone into the tripod. It's a plastic clamp. It's got a 1/4 inch threaded insert on the side and the back. It does do the trick, but I've upgraded to something a little bit tidier, which is a WOOHOT metal phone tripod mount, the JL1618, which is here. Very, very nice construction, almost 100% aluminium, no plastic I've managed to find on it so far. A couple of bits of rubber to clamp the phone well. Goes like that. Put the phone down, push it in firmly into the jaws. On the back you've got a locking knob, turn that and the jaws are locked, so the phone is not going to drop out at all. There's an arm on the back, so you can alter the angle of your dangle when it's in the tripod if you wish, and that arm itself can be latched. So once you've altered your angle that you require, lock that up and it's not going anywhere. You can of course use it in portrait mode. If you drop that out, turn around, reclamp, lock, and away you go. So it's all very nice. Let's take that off and look a little bit further into the adapter. It'll suitable for phones 2.4 inches to 3.7 inch in width. On the back, like I said, you've got a lock-in knob to lock the jaws, also one for the arm. On the arm you've got 4 1/4 inch threaded holes for various adapters you may require or use. On the base you've got a 3/8 of an inch and another 1/4 inch adapter. The adapters are something like this. You spin that on, then this would mount onto your tripod. On the top of this you've got a cold shoe adapter, so you can just whip in a, just hold on there, I've got it here somewhere, there it is. So if you have got a square base like this, that'll simply spin in, and there you go. So perhaps on there you might like put a microphone. On the back you'll have an adapter going off to an arm that could be for a light, and you got the base that'll mount onto your tripod. So this was bought from Amazon. It's around about £18. Not the cheapest thing I've ever bought, but all in all, for the money, I think it's pretty good value. It does feel a quality bit of kit. So that's the WOOHOT JL1618. So far it's done me okay the little time I'm using it, but I should be able to put it into practice in the next few weeks, and I don't think there's any need for a follow-up video, but it is what it is. It's a mobile phone clamp of good quality, so if that's what you're looking for, I'd suggest you have one of these. If you've enjoyed the short video, by all means give me a thumbs up, and why not subscribe. There's going to be more little videos like this coming along in the future. Ring the bell also, and I'll keep you updated when they are available online.